Hey there! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship without breaking the bank? Today, we're exploring the best low-investment business ideas for beginners in 2025 and learning valuable lessons from some of the most successful companies in the world. These ideas are perfect if you're starting with a small budget but have big dreams. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about some inspiring examples. You might think companies with a lot of employees automatically make a lot of money, or that companies generating significant revenue must have massive teams. But that's not always the case. Take WhatsApp, for instance. It started with just a team of 5 people. In 2014, this small team sold their company to Facebook for $19 billion. Yes, billion with a B. 5 people created something so impactful and valuable that it changed the game. And then there's Wikipedia. How did it become one of the top 10 sites on the internet? It's astonishing to realize that Wikipedia has only about a dozen full-time employees. It operates without traditional revenue streams and instead relies on small donations. Jimmy Wales, Wikipedia's co-founder, achieved this incredible feat by building a tribe, a community united by a shared vision. He didn't micromanage or dictate what to do. Instead, he inspired and led the community, attracting a core group of contributors who account for the majority of the work on the site. Here's the brilliance of his approach. Wales motivated, activated, and connected his team, leveraging their strengths and creating a platform for collaboration. This concept of leveraging resources, networks, and opportunities is what sets thriving businesses apart. And now, we'll show you how to apply these lessons to your own entrepreneurial journey. Let's explore some fantastic low-investment business ideas you can start today. Print-on-demand businesses. With platforms like Printful or Printify, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, or even phone cases. The best part? You don't need to stock any inventory. The products are printed only when someone places an order, making it a risk-free way to start. Social media management. Businesses are constantly looking for people who can grow their online presence. If you're good at creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with audiences, this could be your chance to shine. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and your creativity. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique link. It's a flexible way to earn passive income, especially if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a strong social media following. Freelancing. Whether you're skilled in graphic design, writing, video editing, or coding, platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you showcase your talents and connect with clients worldwide. Start small, build a portfolio, and watch your income grow. Selling handmade products. From candles to jewelry, platforms like Etsy provide an excellent marketplace to reach customers who love unique, personalized items. Dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Your supplier ships the product directly to your customer. All you need is a reliable supplier and a good marketing strategy, online courses, or tutoring. If you're an expert in any subject, be it math, cooking, or photography, you can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. The beauty of these businesses is their low startup costs and the flexibility they offer. Remember, success isn't about having an army. It's about leveraging your resources, motivating others, and activating your vision. Take a page from Wikipedia and WhatsApp's playbooks. They prove that even small teams can achieve massive success. So what's stopping you? Choose a business idea that resonates with you. Take the first step today and let 2025 be the year you turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Success is within reach, and it's all about leveraging your passion, and persistence. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips. See you next time.